In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a bat step by step. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images that you can follow along with, just follow the link in the description below or visit howtodrawstuff.com. We're going to first draw a couple of ovals. The larger oval will make up the main part of the bat's body, and the second oval should be smaller, more like a circle, and placed inside the larger oval. This oval will become the face and the head of the bat. Next, we'll move on to drawing the wings of the bat. Draw a few lines like the one in the picture to indicate the top portions of the wings. It's okay to make these lines a bit jagged. By making the lines jagged, you will make the bat wings look a little more realistic. Also draw a couple of rounded triangles for the ears coming from the smaller circle. In this step, we'll continue with the wings by drawing several lines down from the pinnacle of each wing. Again, these lines can be a little jagged. Also add some details to the face and a couple of lines on the inside of the ears to make the ears a bit more realistic. Now we can finish off the bottom of the wings of the bat. These lines should curve upward. Add some nostrils to the nose on the face and some fangs and teeth in the mouth. Don't forget that bats have legs, so add them in this step of the drawing as well. Now you can use the shapes and lines to finish the drawing of a bat. Go over your lines with ink and erase any lines that you no longer need. Add a bit of shadow under the wings and under the body of the bat, and you're finished.